Welcome back to Deck Trains, the series where we look at a different train set from the collection every week. And it's a small world after all. Two scales are better than one. Yes, we're still in Deutschland. I still can't sing. And we're still looking at N scale. And this is our finale of N scale. So, today, throwback to Beer Train Week 27, we're going to find a Minitrix number 2913 BR89 060 Shunter pulling an Atlas number 2224 Blatz beer reefer and an Atlas number 2272 red caboose. This was a Baltimore, Ohio yellow imprint on it. Took the liberty of painting that out to try and match the HO scale red caboose that I own. Part 2, we bring back the Fleischmann number 1315 040 steam tank Loco. It's a BR89 number 1315. It's going to be pulling around Fleischmann's number 1428 Blatz billboard refrigerated beer car and a Fleischmann number 1435 red caboose. This unit runs a surprising 105.57 kilometers per hour. That's almost 66 miles an hour at 50% power, even with the tapping of rain gently on my roof. The Class 89 steam shunter first started production in 1882 as the Prussian T3, and production ran until 1800 and 2 units were produced. Not only Prussia, but several other German principalities adopted this locomotive, including, outside of Germany, Italy and Japan. This was one of the first standardized units around the world. Around 70 units survived to the DRG DB era conversion, and several survive even today. Some have an added tender to try and extend their range. Our HO Class 89 runs a surprising 105.57 kilometers per hour and 65.6 miles per hour at only 50% power. And surprise, surprise, what do my eyes see? Yes, it is Fleischmann's number 5569 track cleaning wagon.
Ostern lustig sei, die Lamp uns so besonders sie laufen aus.
Tune in next week. It's Christmas week here in the United States, and a lot of countries around the world celebrate it. I will be celebrating it with a special red and green combination. Nearly the same combination that we featured last year for Christmas, but we're going to change it up a little bit just to make things interesting. Thank you very much for watching this week. See you next week. If I don't see you, happy holidays.
Viele englische Stimmen erschallen weit und breit, Lob Gottes sie singen, verkünden große Freud.
Friede werden nur allein die eines guten Willens sein.
Der Heiland ist geboren.